Well, beautiful prairie lake. I'm kind of wondering, what are they after? Let's start throwing the chatterbait around. See if we get on some aggressive bites. He's aggressive. Yeah, you got it good, dude. You ain't getting off of there. Not very big, but it's a start. There we go. Another little one. They don't play around, they eat it. Kind of a slippery dude. Number 2. Chatterbait's kind of working at him. Oh, got something now. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, he's a good sized one. Pulling drag too. We're gonna have to wear him out. Oh, I barely got him hooked. Is that a drum? No, it's a bass. It's a bass. Oh, don't jump, dude. Come on. Come here, fella. Oh. Ah. Got a pretty good one. Bumping the bottom worked out. I forgot my phone. Gotta get my phone and go get a picture. Mean old sucker.
Let's get my scales out.
See what this dude weighs. He's about 2.5, I think. Come on, turn on. There we go. Calm down, calm down. 3-1. Not bad. I'd guess say 18 inches. Turn this thing around. Now we can let him go. Let him just slip right off. Yeah, no problem. So we got all this wind. I'm about to cut it out for the day. So I'm getting hungry. Caught a pretty good one. Caught 2 little ones. So I can't really complain. Oh, there we go. Now we're into it. He ain't big. Guess he don't feel big. Nope, he's not a bigger. Kind of ate it funny though. Get that hook out of him. Boy, you really got it in there, didn't you? There we go. Now we got you free. No blood. You're good to go. Thank you, sir. Big old Mondo worm. Get a feel for the bottom. See if I can throw a crankbait at all. I don't know. Never know until you start checking it out. Oh. Surprise! Ooh, let's see if we can not take your eye with that. Okay, you get to keep your eye. Little dude, number 5. I appreciate you. I like your aggressiveness going after a 9-inch worm. I think it's, yeah, about 9-inch worm. I've had enough of this worm. About had enough of this place. I think I might go over the lily pads and throw a big old plastic in there or something.